Hey, what's up everybody? This is Sim from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to my 0 to 1000 review. Now I'm inside a member series of the 0 to 1000. I will give you a full demo about the software, how does it work. And I also have very cool bonus to go with this software. If you stay to the end of this video and you purchase this product, that's I have very high quality bonus that I will give away for you. Okay. So what is the 0 to 1000? Right? So 0 to 1000, that's a software, the cloud-based software that will help you create very high convert option form. You know, you can imagine a lot of websites can help you create very high convert option form like a ClickFunnels. But the problem in ClickFunnels is they need you pay a lot of money to ClickFunnels. You see, and 0 to 1000, that's they have a few font here. It's really high convert, but that's you only need to pay one time. You only need to pay one time, and that's pretty low price. You see, the price pretty low, only 15,000 though. So it's pretty low price. So you can imagine if you use ClickFunnels, probably you know that ClickFunnels you need to pay monthly. You need to pay monthly. But with 0 to 1000, you only need to pay one time, and then you can use forever. So this product gonna be launched in yesterday, 11 October, which is yesterday. So right now you can purchase the product. So what you need to do, click to the first link on the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page right here. Click to the first link on the description of this video, it will take you to my bonus page. And let's see what's the bonus I will offer to you, and then we'll go further to the software. Okay, so if you're looking for a very cool bonus that go with this software, my bonus is the best. Okay, I only prepare for you guys as you watch this video right now with me. And my bonus, I spend a lot of time put together, so you will not find my bonus then from the different people. Okay, so if you still not click to the first link, click to the first link on the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page like this. So here, when you right here, I break down everything you need to know about the product. And if you come here, you see the product. Then if you want to go to the sale page, you click to any orange button here, you go to the sale page. It look like this. Then the sale page, you can enjoy yourself to take a look around this sale page. I will not go detail here. So now I go back to my bonus page and I'll show you what's the bonus I give for you and what the price of this product. Okay. So before that, before I show you the price of the product, I would like to show you my bonus. So if you're looking for the best bonus, go with this software. My bonus is the best. Okay. So this is my 14 high quality bonus that I only prepared for you guys as you watch this video. So the bonus number one, I will give you SEO keyword mastery. This is the training. This is the training course. We help you how to find the hardest keyword and the most possible keyword for the right way. Okay? So SEO is really important. The keyword is, if you not choose the right keyword, you will not rank your website or your video on the top of Google. So this is the bonus that's really high value that I will give for you with the 0 to 1000. Okay, so the bonus number two, I will help you. I will show you how to do Google Ads. Okay, Google Ads, I will show you to do AdWords retargeting. AdWords retargeting is really important. So if you have this software 0 to 1000, then you need to run Google Ads or Facebook Ads or you need to do website. So this go with my bonus. I will help you. I will show you how to do Google Ads. Then you can take a lot of traffic to your option from 0 to 1,000 from here. Then you can get leads to your from your customer. Okay. So the third bonus here, I will show you how to do Bing Ads. Bing Ads is so very important, guys. Bing Ads, a lot of people do ad work here, and not a lot of people do Bing Ads. So if you do Bing Ads, that's you have a lot of chance because the Bing Ads, the cost is lower than Google. So if you're looking for the best bonus, this is the best bonus I give for you. The Bing Ads is really, really high quality too. So this I will show you everything how to do Bing Ads. Okay, so the third, the bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Video marketing is really important. Video marketing is now the king of marketing. So you see here, if you know how to do option from here, then you drop my bonus right here. That I will show you how to do video marketing. Video marketing like I do here, and also you will do the professional video marketing too. So then I have more. I not stop there. I have more there. You see, embraceable link and more. See, I help you how to do YouTube SEO. I help you to more. You see, I have, and this is I will show you how to do a blog. How to do blog. I will show you how to do review blogging. So a lot of people will charge you a lot of money to build a blog, but go with my bonus. I will help you. I will show you how to build a blog step by step completely for the beginning. So in your beginning, this is my best bonus I offer to you. You create a professional blog step by step. Okay. So and also the bonus number 9, I will show you how to rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. This is also very, very high quality bonus that, a lot of people will show you how to do SEO, but not a lot of people can show you the right way that rank number 1 on Google than 24 hours. So this is my bonus. Go with the product right here. Then you can do video. You can do video, or you can do blog. Then you rank your keyword number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. This is really, really important if you start to do affiliate or you do your business. Okay, and I not stop there. I have a lot of bonus I offer to you. I have over 14 high quality bonus that I only prepare for you guys. So you need to grab my bonus before the countdown time. If my bonus countdown time, this time come down, my bonus will not available. So if you're looking for the bonus, my bonus is the best. Okay, so you need to purchase this product before my countdown time. Right? So if you still not click to the first link, right now is the time. Click to the first link on the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page. Here I break down everything you need to know. And next, what you need to do, click to any yellow button here. It will take you to the sales page like this. So the sales page, I will not go very deep here. I will take a look a little bit. You see here is unique system and app allow you to capture buyer list and make sale from free traffic, and no paying for traffic, no experience need, no monthly fees, 100% cloud-based, no install request, real to technical skill need. Yeah, that's right. Work anywhere across the world. Yeah, create a limited campaign. Yeah, 100% down for you giveaway. Yeah, free traffic training include. I love this. Free traffic training include. I love it. When you have the auto phone, you need to free traffic, right? So complete system with no money fees. Yeah, that's you can go here. You can read yourself here. I will not really go deeper in here, but they have offer include you the bonus that they will show you to ClickBank and more. You see here they have 4 bonus. So my bonus is higher on the top of this bonus. right? So yeah, so now let's go back to see what's the inside of the 0 to 1000, right? So here basically when you arrive to the 0 to 1000, here this is the welcome, this is the interview and the welcome video. So this product created by Akakumin. Here's the guy behind this product. He will show you step by step how to use, and also he will training you step by step how to get a lot of leads by using 0 to 1000. Right? So this is if you need support, you can go on here or anyway around here. But here you go to the dashboard. You go to the dashboard here. So here they have a few very simple, guys. This is really simple, but really high convert, very high convert template. You see, if you give away something, you need to use option font, or you need a training, you need an option font. You do anything, you need to option font. You do any business, you need option font. For example, you give away some books, right? You use this template. You just simply use this template, and then you give them a campaign name. I just say thing. Doesn't matter. It's the name. You just this name just to you remember, and this is the content. This is the content. For example, this is the content over here, right? So what you need to do, you can write the content, but I just change here to like $20, $2,000 per day, for example. Then you can change the color, right? You can change the color. For example, I choose this color, for example, and this is the link. This is the link when the people they drop the contact on the drop list on your phone, then they go directly to this link. So example, I copy my link here, copy. I go back here. I just paste always here, right? So you also can change the image. You can change this image, but here I now change that. You also can change the background here. But I not change that. I just go really simple, and I'm going to create. All right, this is mine. So I'm gonna view. You see, this is very simple. But this option font is, I think this is really high convert. You see, very simple and very high convert. You can see if you clickbank that you need to pay a lot of money, but you use this only one time price, only $15. That's you can upset to very high convert link right here. People can put the leads over here, then they get installed, then you get the lead. Okay, so this is the campaign. If you want to edit, you can click to edit here, and you can delete the here. But this is basically that's what we do. So let's go back to over here. I'll show you if example you wanna get something, right? You wanna for example you wanna use some training, right? This is training. So example, I get the name. Just this, I keep this simple. You can change this, you can change the color, everything here. This also videos, you can use the video, right? Video ID, the code video ID here you can use, and also this is the link. When the people put the contact there, it go directly to this link, right? Go to create a page. Right, you see here, and then you go to the view page. You see, this is really simple. You can, this already create for you everything. And then when people click to the bottom, it already open the pop-up, put the email and your name here. So that's really simple, guys. Really simple, but the font is really high convert. So down here they have some giveaway for you, and you down here the list that they will have a lot of lists. You see here, I got few lists from here. So example, when the people they put the And when the people put the name and Gmail here, you got the list. You go to the list here. All the lists here you have available here. Then you can export list to your computer, right? Really simple, but really high convert. So yes, guy, I think this is very simple, but the option fund is really high convert, and this is the product you should consider about that. Because if you use like click buying or the other product is take a lot of money. You get red palm also take a lot of money, and you click buying so take a lot of money. So if you use very simple this, you only pay 1 time money. You can do multiple campaign. So let's go back to my bonus and see what's the price they have upsell, downsell, right? So you accept for like $15. You accept everything. What I already show you there, right? No month fees. I love this. No month fees. And the upsell number 1, they will charge for you $27. And you also have Instagram traffic, Autopilot, and free traffic demo day in and out. Also automatic post picture, story, and video. You have more right here. And the upsell number 2, they will offer you profit without even using software, 100% commission funnel. Right? So they have only 2 upsell here. And what I recommend, you just go to the first one, and you like that, and you feel that you like that, so that help you. You can purchase the next upsell later. And no worry, they have 30-day money back guarantee. 30-day money back guarantee. So no worry if you don't like the product, you just ask for the refund. Okay. So down here they have you see. They have 30-day money back guarantee. So no worry if you don't like the product, you just add the money back. So the product created by Akikumi, right? Akinturi, and I'm sure his name, but yeah, it's pretty good. So this is basically the 0 to 1,000 word, and I know this is really simple, but that's I think that's how you save a lot of money. Then you like click buying that take a lot of money. You need to pay the monthly fees, right? So alright guys, thank you so much. If you still not click to the first link, and click to the first link on the description and go to my bonus page. You need to purchase the product before my countdown time. Okay, if my countdown time and my bonus will not available for you, so hold my bonus is really high quality that I only prepare for you guys, and I will show you how to do artwork. I will show you how to do Bing Ads. And I should do website, I show you do ad video, I show you do SEO, everything here. If you do this, you go with 0 to 1,000, you succeed faster. Okay. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you still not subscribe to my channel, click subscribe to my channel, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notified. So thank you so much. I see you in another video. Bye bye.